Morning, Malla. Oh my God, I just love this white Christmas. In fact, I was looking for a white Christmas tree to put on my terrace. Will you come and stand there?
Gladly, happily, you pay me for it?
No, I won't do that. Well,
Sorry,
how can I pay you for this?
Nothing for free.
But my children would love to run around you.
For them, I would. Happily, not for you, darling.
Love it, love it, love it. Oh my God, it's really quite hectic. Toodles. Oh my God.
Hello, Karan.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Thank you for coming on Coffee with Karan.
You're welcome.
But why didn't you wear something more like red carpet friendly? Why are you wearing this?
बकवास ना कर रेड कार्पेट फ्रेंडली ये रेड कार्पेट फ्रेंडली है ऐसा लग रहा है इसने व्हाइट कारपेट पहन के आ गई है इस लुकिंग लाइक अ प्लास्टिक कारपेट ऊपर से टांगे बाहर निकाली हुई ठंड में मर जा रही है शी इज गॉट ब्लडी गूज फ्लेश ऑल ओवर हर लेग्स एंड लुक एट यू बड़ा गार्डन हुआ हुआ है तू ये तूने जैकेट पहनी इतनी बकवास
Floral is the imprint. Get with it.
oh get in and out get out with your in
Oh God, Toodles. Morning, Yash. What you doing? What you doing? What are you doing? Hello, excuse me, it's me. What are you wearing? What are you wearing? Oh my God, you're not like your papa. You're not obsessed with what you're wearing. Love that. All right, Toodles. Oh my God, oh, so much love. Oh my God. That's so much love. Hashtag amazing love. Love it, love it, love it. Siblings in love. Oh my God, that's a bit too much love now. Oh, I'm like really overwhelmed. Oh, will you stop loving each other? What are you doing? I'm talking to you. Hello. Excuse me, what are y'all doing? Twins in love, hashtag twins in love, and they have flopped. Hi. All right, moving on. Let's go to the grand maternal. Hello, what are you wearing?
a kaftan can't you see
Okay, Toodles. Say Toodles back.
what did you say
Say Toodles.
toodles back to you
Morning, Malla. Oh my God, all foiled up. Oh God, what's happening behind you? All foiled up and nowhere to go. Really, you look like a packaging today.
Would you like to unravel me?
I'd like to unwrap you, but then what's the point of that? Oh my God, oh God, what's happening? Some people are just waving behind. Oh God, there's no sun and yet you have sunglasses on, but that's so superstar.
Thank you.
Oh, anyway, Toodles. Oh my God, I love that. I
don't
love
wish to be
that collar.
exploited
I
on
love that
Instagram.
I love
Manager,
that.
manager.
Okay, I love the collar. Oh
Thank
my,
you.
I'm not so sure about this though.
Excuse me, you're never sure about this. ये अच्छा लग रहा तेरे को.
Yeah.
ये zebra बना हुआ है, तू tin foil बना हुआ है, हैं? ऊपर से इन दोनों ने काले चश्मे. अम्मे क्या रात को काले चश्मे लगाकर घूम रहे हैं? Please tell me.
But don't you think you're a bit too bright for
I
like?
think I'm wonderful. I'm Indian and I'm forever. And
All
you
right.
people are just what's in right now, what's out right now.
Okay, enough of you,
Chala
Toodles. Morning, Sarah.
Morning, Karan.
Looking hot.
Thank you.
Didn't miss a color, did you?
No, I didn't. All of them.
Oh, I know, looking hot.
Thank
Anyway,
you.
Toodles. Oh my God, what's happening here? What are you eating? Is that gram?
भाई इसको चना बोलते चना
Is it chana? What is that? I don't know. I've heard of it.
भाई आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा आप किनोवा खाओ किनोवा
Sorry, why are you talking like that?
भाई अपन तो ऐसी है
Oh God, okay, Toodles. I don't want to spend too much time with you. Thank you.
After
Oh,
the
God.
chana comes the sing.
Oh my God.
What do you have to say about me?
Paris Milan Winter Fall Collection 2018. Love it. Love
it's
it.
only to impress you, Karan. I'm channeling my inner puppy.
Yeah.
I like to call this tiger puppy.
Oh my God, I so love
Ferocious and fabulous.
Love it. It's
What
such a-
about your pants? Are these space pants?
it. Oh my God,
They're
from-
making your ass look out of this world.
What are you saying? Is that offensive or what? I love your gangster look, but for now, Toodles. Morning, Malla. Morning. Oh my God, looking like old Hollywood. Considering you'll never get there, how does it feel?
Guts you have, looking like a zebra that nobody wants to cross. Out of here.
My God, trying to be clever, so unlike you, Toodles. Who's this? Oh my God, Pinky Pooh, how are you?
What do you mean Pinky Pooh? You stinky goo, looking like a black and white cheetah.
My God, a black and white cheetah. Did you call this? Is just like a
Oh,
mishmash.
chup reh, teri mishmash. Actually, you are a papita, looking mixed up with a black and white cheetah. I don't know what you're wearing. It's looking ridiculous.
Oh, listen, Kiranji, you are looking like strawberry yourself, so I don't know why you're so jealous
But
of my
strawberry is lovely, darling. Not like a papita.
Well, strawberry is lovely when mixed with cream and applied elsewhere.
चल गंदा कहीं का बकवास करता रहता है.
Anyway,
Shut up.
Toodles.
Toodles.
Oh God, who are these fans
Fan,
shooting me?
fan.
I don't like fans. Fans! Morning, Malla. Oh my God. Hi, Pony. Just to tell you, I met the original Beyonce last night. And
Oh yeah, by the way, I taught her some really cool moves.
You taught her? Oh my god. Well, I just want to say with that high pony, welcome to the Midlife Crisis Club. Toodles.
Hey, I'm gonna join you in that club very soon.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I just came from a wedding where it seems we have another bride in the house.
Shut up, Karan.
Shimmer and shine, just like old wine. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What about you? Black and red. Shouldn't have woken up today, stayed in bed. Stupid. You know, कपड़े इतने बुरे नहीं है जितनी ये accent जो तू मारता है ना.
My god, that's the way I speak,
Yes,
Karanji.
darling.
But I
It's the
just
way I
want to
speak.
say, you're looking so amazing. You don't look your age, but you used to.
Neither you.
Toodles.
Shut up, idiot.
Morning, Mala. Oh my god, I want to say how much I love your look. It will look so good on a red carpet. I love red carpet looks,
I'm
don't
made
you?
for the red carpet, honey.
I know. Many a time, many women look like red carpets themselves, but let's not
You
talk
said
about that. Toodles. Red carpet, and we have a red alert guest with us today. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the bona fide fashionista. Farah Khan is the fashionista of Versova. Beautiful.
And your office is also in Lokhandwala, not Upper Jew. Like to tell everybody.
All right, all right.
मत कर ये क्या रेड कारपेट.
और खुद जो ग्रीन कार्पेट
अरे
पहन के
बाबा,
आया है
अरे भाड़े पे कपड़े लेकर ये पहन लेते हैं और उसके बाद वापस कर देते हैं डिजाइनर्स को. एक्सक्यूज मी, इतने अमीर लोग हैं, कपड़े वापस करें खरीद नहीं सकते. रेड कारपेट लुक, ये गाउन पहन लोगों का. साड़ी बुरी लगती है, सलवार कमीज बुरी लगती है. आधे पागल हो तुम लोग.
Oh, don't. Morning, Mala. Oh my god, all covered up. What happened to you today? Huh?
Woke up the wrong side of the bed.
I know, too many clothes on you
Fell
today.
into a pile of clothes.
I know, loving it, loving it. Love this look like I love all your looks, like I love your airport looks.
Liar.
I love your airport looks. I love when you fly. Toodles. Oh my god. Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
Off to Chandigarh tomorrow. What's your airport look gonna be?
तुम लोग पागल हो. एथलीजर लुक, एयरपोर्ट लुक, इतने इतने अनकंफर्टेबल कपड़े पहन के सिर्फ फोटो खिंचाने के लिए उतर जाते हो. प्लेन में जाकर कपड़े बदल लेते होगे. लैंड करने से पहले भगवान जाने बेढंगे से कपड़े पहनकर आ जाते हो. सो रबिश न्यू एयरपोर्ट लुक. दिस आर माय स्नीकर्स, दिस इज माय बैग, दिस इज माय दिस. और ये क्या पहन के आ गया तू आज? टेल मी दैट. प्लास्टिक लग रहा है, प्लास्टिक शीट जो लगाते हैं ना लोग अपने घरों के ऊपर बारिश में, वो पहन के आया
You're
हुआ है.
just jealous of my airport looks. I love the paparazzi, and I don't think
तो कपड़े
you.
इसीलिए खरीदता है कि तो एयरपोर्ट लुक.
Toodles. Morning, Mala. Oh my god, OMG. You look lit. You look like the shiz. You look amazed. You look like.
Fit.
You look fit. You look like you're on fire. You look like a taxi everybody wants to hire.
I'm
Amazing.
just running.
I know. Oh my god. Toodles. Oh my god. Look what we have here.
Hello, Karan.
And KK, you look lit AF. Lit AF.
क्या मतलब?
A as in as, F as in how we all got into this world, F.
Oh, shut up. And you look like PKFC.
What's that?
फटे कपड़े फकीर चांद पहनते रहे, घुटना पटा होता था. अब तूने दोनों घुटने फाड़ लिए. ऊपर से जैकेट देखिए अपनी. It's got more diamonds on it than I wear, darling.
I think
Get with
you're
it.
I think you're just jealous of my look today, Kiranji.
Wah, wah,
I mean,
kya
just
baat
because
hai?
you're not wearing as many diamonds as I am. So let's just
Just
say,
shut up.
and toodles to
Shut
you,
up.
toodles,
चलो इधर
toodles,
से.
you jealous
चलो इधर
thing.
से. चलो.
Morning, Malaika. Oh my God. Back to camera and all. Hello. How are you, Beyonce 2.0 ka attack version?
Out of here. Get lost.
Toodles. Oh. Ah,
एक मिनट,
what
एक
happened?
मिनट. My God, Karan.
Oh my God. Why are you wearing these
ज्यादा
glasses?
चमकीले कपड़े पहनकर आए हो तुम. कैमरे तो नहीं करने वाले. I can't look at you. चक्कर आ रहे हैं मुझे.
Oh God, but don't you know shine is in, sequence is in, glitter is in. I mean, you know it's all in, right?
Everything is in, but you're out. Let me tell you.
Oh,
ये तो
God.
you're looking like a पुराने जमाने की कैबरे डांसर in this, and ये फटी हुई जीन्स फिर पहन लिया तुमने.
But I don't know. I don't even want to start about what you're looking like currently. I just want to tell you,
I
you
look
look like
gorgeous.
you're. Well, I was going to say something, Nina, but I'll be kind to you. So, toodles. A quick word for the glamorous Malaika. Oh my God,
वो
look at
ग्लैमरस है,
that.
मैं बकवास हूँ.
नहीं,
वो
you're not.
ग्लैमरस है, मैं बकवास हूँ, हैं? और तू ये
Toodles.
जो इतने गंदे कपड़े पहनकर आता है.
Morning, Mala. Missed
I
you.
missed that morning.
I believe you had a wardrobe malfunction this morning. No strings attached.
Did it fell apart?
Well, some things are still solid. Speaking of solid, how was your cup of coffee last night?
It was hot, it was honest, and I loved every bit of it.
Oh, Toodles. Oh my God, my phone shook. Celebrating International Parrots Day, are we?
Yes, darling. After you wore that parrot-colored jacket, I thought, why not? मैं भी साथ में ही पहन लेती हूँ.
Oh God, but my green is very different from your green.
Yeah,
Your
especially-
green is a bit of a green screen.
And what about yours today? It's a shitty green. And let me tell you another thing, Karan. जरूरी नहीं कि जो चीजें मॉडल्स रैंप पे पहने वो असली जिंदगी में भी पहनी जाए. अगले दिन आप ट्रैक सूट पहन कर आ गए और बोल रहे थे ये हाथ लीजर है लेकिन लीजर के लिए पहना जाता है, मंच पर बैठकर नहीं. So get your act together and toodles.
Why do you pretend like you're the goddess of fashion?
I am, darling. At least I'm not a fashion freak.
Well, to that I just want to say Toodles.
Sorry.
Morning, Malla. Oh my God.
Morning, Karan.
Crimped hair, shiny dress. Bit of a Beyonce hangover, you think?
Oh, don't be jealous. I got a better booty than Beyonce.
So you think. Toodles. Oh my God. Hello.
Oh God, फिर आ गया.
Bit late for Karwa Chauth, don't you think?
Oh, shut up, Karan. You're being such a bitch all the time. तू क्या कपड़े पहन कर आता? कल तू पहन कर आया था athleisure. उसको देखकर मुझे सीजर होने वाला था. और आज तू ये क्या हीरो का बेड कवर पहन के आ गया?
What are you calling this hero's bed cover? It's very cool. It's from Comme des Garçons.
कॉम दे गार्सो अक्ल की बात किया कर. अंग्रेज, पूरा अंग्रेज बन गया. चल इधर से.
Please, Kiranji. Please, you don't understand today's fashion. Get with the program. Why
I don't
don't you?
need to, darling. I make the program. Okay.
Oh, you're such a nay. Toodles. Morning, Malla. Oh my God. I love your Moschino dog strap. You needed to be on a leash today.
Put me on a leash. Come on, tame me. Woof woof.
Woof woof to you too, Toodles. Oh my God, look at this. Beauty in blue. Hello.
Hello, आ गया कद्दू.
Kaddu, is that what you call me?
Yes, of course. कद्दू ही तो लग रहा है.
I am wearing athleisure Gucci. My Gucci tiger's gonna bite you.
तेरे गुच्ची टाइगर इज बाइटिंग मी एवरी डे. मेरे सर पे यहाँ पे बैठ के ये झंडे से बना के अपने कपड़ों पे रोज प्रकट हो जाते हो. तुम्हें देखना पड़ता है मुझे. मेरी आंखें बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पाती अब. Toodles.
My God, Kiranji, that was so harsh. I wanted to just tell you, you look like a beautiful cloud that's about to burst. So
I had
Toodles.
just burst.
Toodles.
Stupid.
Give a 5 Toodles and woof woof to you.
Doodles.
Bye. Morning, Malla. Oh my God, I love your Moschino dog strap. You needed to be on a leash today.
Put me on a leash. Come on, tame me. Woof woof.
Woof woof to you too, Toodles. Oh my God, look at this. Beauty in blue. Hello.
Hello, आ गया कद्दू.
Kaddu, is that what you call me?
Yes, of course. कद्दू ही तो लग रहा है.
I am wearing athleisure Gucci. My Gucci tiger's gonna bite you.
तेरे गुच्ची टाइगर इज बाइटिंग मी एवरी डे. मेरे सर पे यहाँ पे बैठ के ये झंडे से बना के अपने कपड़ों पे रोज प्रकट हो जाते हो. तुम्हें देखना पड़ता है मुझे. मेरी आंखें बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पाती अब. Toodles.
My God, Kiranji, that was so harsh. I wanted to just tell you, you look like a beautiful cloud that's about to burst. So
I had
Toodles.
just burst.
Toodles.
Stupid.
Give a 5 Toodles and woof woof to you.
Doodles.
Bye. Morning, Malak. Oh my God, where's Malaka? We don't have her today. What a shattering loss to humanity. Morning, Kiranji. Happy Deepavali.
Happy Deepavali, darling Karan. How are you?
Oh, lovely. You look like a beautiful big Diwali lamp. Shining, shining.
Thank you, Karan. लेकिन तुम आज क्या पहन कर आए हो? ये क्या है? फटी हुई स्लीव्स है तुम्हारी. पहले कभी तुम फटी जीन्स पहनते हो. अब तुम्हारी स्लीव्स फट गई हैं. क्या है ये? What is this?
Side slit jackets are very in. It's by Martin Rose.
मार्टिन रोज के बच्चे, दूं तुझे एक डोज. ये क्या बनकर घूमते रहते हो?
It's very in, Kiranji. You know, every time we can't turn up in something traditional like you always do.
But darling, I look amazing. And whether it's traditional or whether it's modern, at least कपड़े तो पूरे हैं ना, हटे हुए नहीं.
Humility was never your forte. Toodles. Oh, Malika, loving the look in general, even these earrings.
Like
loving
it?
them.
Like
loving
it?
them. What do you say, Kiranji?
क्या loving them? 1.5 कांटे पहन कर आई है. एक में पूरा और एक में आधा है. ये क्या लुक है?
But it's the new thing, Kiranji. Wearing this dare look is so amazingly in.
मतलब आजकल तुम लोग सिर्फ अंडरवेयर पहन के भी चले जाओगे तो न्यू लुक हो जाएगा, है ना? ये न्यू लुक का क्या मतलब होता है करण? A look must look graceful and nice. एक तरफ से टूटा लग रहा है, टूट गया इसका इयरिंग. Please, sorry.
But you know, what about me? I'm so pura. What about me? I'm looking complete, am I not?
You never look पूरा. You're always looking अधूरा. कभी तेरी पैंट फटी होती है, कभी तेरे जूते में कुछ बकवास होता है, कभी तेरी शर्ट, तेरी कोट ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कि सोफा का कवर है तू. जा इधर से.
What about you? You're like a beautiful mannequin.
But darling, I'm always perfect, है ना? That's why you ask my opinion. Toodles.
Morning, Malaika. My God.
That morning is the most morbid morning I've ever heard.
Well, we don't want to know your opinion. We just want to say you're looking like a bubble gum. So amazing.
Really now?
Hot pink. I love it.
Just don't chew too much and blow me up.
Oh my God. Being clever. That's so not you. Toodles.
Get lost.
Oh my God.
Hello.
What's your OOTD?
What?
OOTD, get with the program, Kiranji. It's outfit of the day.
Oh, shut up. सिर्फ आउटफिट ही सोचता रहेगा. कुछ और भी सोचा कर.
And you know about millennial lingo? Like, do you know what FOMO means? FOMO?
FOMO?
Fear of missing out. Get with it.
करण, तुम लोग को क्या हो गया? कपड़े तुम उल्टे सीधे पहन रहे हो. तुमने लैंग्वेज का सत्यानाश कर दिया है. What is FOMO? I only know that it's okay to be homo, but I don't know about FOMO.
Good afternoon, Malaika. Taking a little bit of a nap, I see. Snoozing at work.
You snooze, you lose. Haven't you heard that?
Snooze, you lose. Taking your 40 wings.
Yes, at 43, I'm taking 40 wings to stay fresh.
40 wings at 43. Disclose your age. Wow, love that. You don't look 43, but you used to. Toodles.
Used to?
Speaking of ageless, hello.
Hello, darling.
Love, love, love the jewels. Oh my God, such an expensive beauty you are.
Oh God, less than you. मेरा नेकलेस उतने का नहीं है जितने तुम्हारे जूते हैं.
Oh God.
और जितने से बड़े-बड़े तुमने jewels अपने जूतों पे लगाए होते हैं.
Oh my God, I have. But you know, jewels on shoes is the new thing. Think of Gucci. That's their new
कभी
thing.
तूने old thing करी है? New thing. Fashion victim. चल इधर से.
Morning, Malla. What you slurping on?
Good morning, Karan. Can I please have my pani in, please?
What are you drinking?
The youth of life.
Oh, really?
essence
You
of
don't
life.
need to
The
look at how
fountain of
young and
life.
hot you're looking
all in
today.
my bottle.
Anyway, we've had enough time with you now, so toodles. Toodles and oh my God.
Oh God.
God, happy Halloween.
हैं? What do you mean happy Halloween?
I'm just saying
मैं
that's
भूत
good.
लग रही हूँ तेरे को.
Not at all. I'm just wishing you the flavor of the season. Happy Halloween.
What about the season of what you're wearing?
Why?
क्या पहना हुआ तूने यहाँ? तेरी जैकेट के ऊपर 5 फूला रानी लग रहा है. सारे रोजेस है पिंक कलर के, बिल्लियां हैं नीले उसमें.
And what about
और
my red
नीचे
shoes?
लाल जूते.
लाल छड़ी मैदान खड़ी.
But you're looking so bad. It's not coordinated with anything.
Well, that's like life. Nothing coordinates with each other.
No, it's like you, Karan. Nothing coordinates with anything. पागल.
Toodles.
Doodles नहीं, noodles लग.
Malaika, just heard you say something profound. You rarely do that. What happened to you today? You were saying something about cleanliness and an environment of cleanliness. You have a thought?
किरण जी ने कहा कि क्या करते हैं लोग स्टेज पे. आई सेड साफ सफाई करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है इनको हर एक्ट के
You're
बाद.
talking too much, Toodles.
I said स्वच्छ भारत
Toodles.
जिंदाबाद.
Oh, hello. Speaking of Swatch, how clean and pure you look today.
Very clean and very pure. अपना घुटना साफ करके आना next time ये फटे हुए jeans पहनने हैं.
Really, you've got to get over it. You've just got to get over my jeans. Why don't you just look at my jeans as in Genes?
Hi, बड़ा clever हो रहा है.
Ah! What are you doing? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Ah! Yeah. Morning, Malaika. Oh my God, red hot.
Morning, Karan.
Is that a stop sign to someone?
Stop sign?
Who are you trying to stop in your life,
I'm not
Malaika?
trying to stop anybody.
Yes, I believe you're starting something though. Toodles, enjoy. OMG.
Hello,
Oh
Karan.
my God, look at you, looking like a beautiful temple in this temple type of sari.
And look at you. Your jacket today is looking like a razai, if you don't mind my saying so. And ये सब नया fashion क्या है? फटे हुए कपड़े पूरे घुटने बाहर निकले हुए, तुम इसको ना घर में पोचा या कटका बना के इस्तेमाल कर लो.
These are torn jeans, Kiran ji.
Very bad, Karan.
They're very hip. Why can't you be more with it?
तो मैं क्या फटी हुई साड़ी पहन के आ जाऊं बेवकूफ?
Why don't you start that? Could start a trend, a torn sari by Kiran Kher.
Shut up and go from here.
It's a love.
Morning, Malla. How does the morning feel? How did it begin today?
Oh, it began really well. It rained, Sona. It was raining gold.
It rained gold because we had a golden buzzer morning on
Absolutely.
IGT. And now the queen of IGT. Hello.
Hello, darling.
Anything to report to India today?
India. आ रहे हैं हम. India's got talent लेकर.
And how much talent do you think India has?
मेरे को देख लो, so much talent. हर चीज में टैलेंट ही टैलेंट है.
I know.
आपको देख लो करण, टैलेंट ही टैलेंट है.
talent.
और मलाइका तो बस टैलेंट की देवी है.
Talent की दुकान है.
अच्छा,
And speaking of dukaan, you're looking like a beautiful dukaan today.
चुप
Love
कर.
it.
What about your jacket? जरा वो भी दिखा दे लोगों को.
What?
Malaika, how are you? Morning.
I'm not a morning person. I'm in a very bad and foul mood.
Why? We're shooting India's Got Talent. What are you wearing today? Oh,
No.
you're looking gorgeous. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing poem dress and it's a lovely tulle dress.
Never heard of it.
Lion.
And what are you wearing? The icon of Indian fashion.
A sari, which has got beautiful woven stuff on it,
Oh.
and Amrapali jewelry.
How does it
Namka
feel like to be such an aspiration to Indian women across the country?
It feels great. It feels so wonderful because my sister's in India.
I
Love
wasn't
me.
asking it seriously. Please don't give such long answers.
Karan,
Yes.
shut up. And how does it feel to be such a parrot in this green jacket you're wearing today?
Why are you after my jackets? The nation wants to know.
The
Toodles,
show,
toodles.
Show them the jackets.
Morning, Malla. What are we eating?
I'm
Having your Sunday binge. Shilpa will be so happy.
It's not a binge.
It's not a binge.
This is my version of a Sunday.
And how is it in Kharghar today in the heat? Loving your sunglass game. What is it?
It's very expensive, I cannot tell you.
They're very expensive. Wasn't expecting that from you. Toodles. Hello.
Hello.
Oh my God, you look like the Lord and Master in those glasses. Are you wearing Versace?
Yes, my dear.
Well, from the heavens above, he thanks you for gracing his memory today.
Thank you so much. And what is this tacky jacket you're wearing?
It's not tacky, it's Gucci. It's very, very expensive.
Just because it's Gucci doesn't mean it's not tacky. I want you to show people your jacket today.
Not at all. Toodle. Morning, Malaika. Happy birthday. You just came back from Europe. What did you do there?
Good morning, Karan. It
How was your
lovely.
trip? Was it a trip?
It was trippy. It was blissful, if you must know. Thank you, Kiranji, for giving my day off so I could have my birthday.
The burning question is, did you go alone?
Let it be a burning question.
All right, Toodles. Aha, look, do we have... Oh my God. Look at that visual of beauty. Open hair and all. Can't handle all this Chandani bit, huh? Kya ho raha hai?
Chandani at this age?
Happy Diwali. You look like Diwali wrapping.
And what about you, darling? You look like the sweet wrapping in this jacket. दुनिया के जितने लेवल हैं वो तेरी जैकेट पे चिपके हुए हैं. जरा जैकेट दिखा दे लोगों को.
Nation wants to know why you after me and my jackets, please.
Nation wants to know why you keep calling me a dukan.
Are you a dukan? You are the best dukan in the world.
Thank you, darling. You wear the best jackets in the world. लेकिन ये जूतों पे क्या लगाया आज?
Malaika, hello. It's me again.
Hi, Karan.
Everybody wants to know the secret of your immense hotness. Do you have a secret?
No, I'm just born with it.
Oh, you're just born. Speaking of hotness, hello.
Hello.
And what's the secret of your beauty and hotness?
Sitting next to you, Karan, on the show. Of
Oh.
course, since everything is about you.
Oh, everything is about me.
Isn't it, darling?
No, I'm
your
not so.
Oh,
jacket,
stop
your
fighting.
clothes, your hairstyle. You're the star of the world.
Speaking of
You said-
hairstyle, बड़ा अच्छा blow dry हुआ है आज. आपकी blow dry का क्या राज है?
मेरे blow dry का राज मेरे बाल है, idiot.
Oh God, is Chandigarh missing you, Kiranji?
They must be missing me.
Yes, but we are more than happy that you are with us with your beautiful jewels
Hit
and
को आ गया
your
मेरे jewels
stunning hair. And can you just give them to me? I want to give them to my mom.
Oh, sweet.
चलो निकाल दो.
अरे,
निकाल दो किरण.
Morning, Malla. It's a sad, sad day. It's our last Toodles ever. I'm going to go shed a tear into my Gucci jacket. You can do the same in this little chandelier of yours.
Guts. From one chandelier to the other. Toodles, my love. I'll miss
Toodles,
you.
Toodles, Toodles. India will miss you.
shedding a tear.
Toodles. Oh my God.
funny.
India's gonna really miss this traditional diva. Really gonna miss this overdressed, over campy look.
Shut up, overdressed के बच्चे. Look at you and Malaika, बदन पे सितारे लपेटे हुए, जैसे कि 1960s की हीरोइन बने हुए हो दोनों. तुम्हें क्या लगता है? तुम लोग overdressed नहीं हो? कभी किसी आदमी को देखा है इतने glitter पहनते हुए?
I love Shine. I've told you this time and
But I
again.
want
Why
to
didn't
tell
you get
one
it?
thing, you just shut up. I want to say one thing for everyone.
Yes.
I actually love what Karan wears. मैंने इसके बहुत कपड़े मार लिए.
I knew it. Toodles. Finally, the cat is out of the bag. Toodles.